Naomi Home presents the Debbie 7-drawer office file storage cabinet. This office file cabinet captivates your attention with its simple and chic 7-drawer design. It's perfect for your workplace or home. Create a mess-free environment with numerous storage spaces where you can keep your essentials organized and easy to find. This file cabinet has routed handles allowing for a smooth open and close. It is easy to assemble, built using robust, heavy-duty material with an environmentally friendly finish for durability. The 4 wheels allows you to freely move the cabinet around to the desired location. The Debbie 7-drawer office file storage cabinet comes in various colors such as black, gray, white, and many more. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.